ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mnangagwa has dismissed reports that controversial businessman KUTYA has been co-opted into the ruling party's central committee, saying the attempt was unsuccessful and procedurally flawed. Sadabela mashoko arikuonekwa kuti ndo arikumeka the headlines these days. Now Zanu Mnangagwa KUTYA. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Timina munauzvizere modwanyo kwa mchinzi. Speaking to the media in Harare on Monday, Mnangagwa made it clear that the business mogul's name had not been formally accepted by the party's top leadership, and emphasized that entry into the Central Committee requires strict adherence to ZANU-PF constitutional processes. In course, those seeking entry into the Central Committee must first obtain clearance from the Presidium. Mnangagwa said any attempt to bypass this court is constitutionally incorrect. Taguri, a businessman often described as President Emmerson Mnangagwa's blue-eye boy, he has been a subject of controversy due to his proximity to power and the opaque nature of some of his business dealings. His alleged appointment sparked a backlash within and outside the party, with many questioning the basis of his nomination. Mnangagwa appeared to distance the party from the move, underlining that ZANU-PF is not a platform for unchecked ambitions or shortcuts to power. In quotes, membership is not just about ambition. It requires respect for the party, regulations, procedural discipline, and a solid ideological foundation, Mnangagwa stated. He added that individuals seeking leadership positions must undergo proper orientation and prove themselves through the structures of the party. The remarks have been interpreted by some analysts as a signal that even those with powerful connections are not immune to ZANU-PF's internal rules, as the party seeks to project an image of order and constitutionalism amid rising internal tensions. Ndo mamira zvakaita kuti kunokonza abatira ZANU-PF panguva ino havasitombodawo sina basa. Mafactions aripo panguva ino, they are locking and blocking each other. Ina comment section medu za mfunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.